Hi, Isabel. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. I love you, Isabel. I love you, Isabel. I love you, Isabel. Uy, again. I love you, Isabel. I love you, Isabel.
Love you too.
Okay, what is this?
Mimi.
What?
Mimi.
What is that?
Dog.
What is that? What is that muna? Not Ming Ming. Not Ming Ming. What is that? Cat. Okay. How about this one? Isabel. How about this one? I will give it to you later na lang. Oh, what? How about this one? What is that?
Dog.
Dog. How about this one?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. Oh, what is this? What is this? Wait, you wait. What is that? What is that?
Cow.
Cow. How about this one? What is that? What is that?
Sheep.
No.
Turtle.
Turtle. Very good.
Sheep.
How about this one?
Sheep.
Wow, sheep. Very good. How about this one? Eee. What is that?
E.
What is that? Goat. Say goat.
Goat.
Goat. Very good. What is your name?
Seven.
Wow, very good. I love you, Isabel.
Potato.
Wow, very good. What? Who is this, Isabel? Stand up. Who is this?
Dora.
Dora.
Sailor.
Oh, what is this?
Sailor.
No more.